Okay, this is what's happening right now. Coinbase and the market crashed, Coinbase crashed, GDAX crashed, price of Bitcoin crashed down to 13.8, and now Bitcoin Cash was added to Coinbase, and everyone's flooding to Coinbase. You know how Coinbase has millions of users at this point, and they're all probably trying to buy Bitcoin Cash. So it looks like a lot of them are selling Bitcoin to try to get some Bitcoin Cash. It's boosting the price of Bitcoin Cash up. Right now, can't even log in Coinbase, but if you do have a Coinbase account and you had Bitcoin in your account, you could log in now and get your Bitcoin Cash. I would suggest leaving it there because the price is going to go through the roof like it already has. 3,300 right now, and who knows where it's going to go. This screen here is the GDAX, the Coinbase exchange. If you have a Coinbase account, which most of you do probably, you can use your funds from Coinbase, come over here and exchange and buy any of the tokens that's available on Coinbase. So they have Litecoin, Ethereum. They just added Bitcoin Cash and then Litecoin. So they have Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And it looks like they may be adding, in their API, I seen an image that looked like the Ethereum Classic may be coming, but don't quote me on that. It was just available in their API. So I don't know if they're going to be adding that, but Coinbase will be adding a lot of new coins, I'm sure. So if you come to GDAX, go to accounts, first sign in using your Coinbase account. You can go to accounts, and on the right hand side, go to accounts and click that. And then next to let's say you have Bitcoin, there's USD. So anything in your Coinbase account, you can click the little down arrow and it'll let you deposit into GDAX from Coinbase. So you can fill up your account using Coinbase funds. So you just go there and choose how much you want to put into GDAX and deposit funds. Then they'll be available for trading on GDAX. So it seems like the futures guys are playing around now with the market. I think they can work it from like 16,000 to 19,000. So I'm expecting it to go back to 19,000. But I don't know. Hopefully it'll get to 20. Oh yeah, they had Bitcoin Cash too. So you should have your balance available. So once you have your funds in GDAX, it'll show up in your balance here. And then at the left here, next to the logo, hold your mouse over the BTC to USD and you'll see the different coins available. And if you want to trade that coin, just select it. So if you want to trade BTC for USDs, which is what I've been doing, I'm just playing around with $300 to see if I can, work it. Because I'm new to trading. I don't do trading. If I bought any stocks in the past, I would just hold them. I don't trade them. But with cryptocurrency, it's really good for trading. And it's fun to play around with, especially on GDAX, because it's like zero fees. It's lower fees if you want to buy them. Okay, the fees for trading on GDAX, actually, I found them. If you go to the menu top right hand corner, go to accounts, click USD, and it's going to show you the fees for your trades. Looks like around 70 cents, 50 cents, sometimes 29 cents. Probably depends on the amount. Okay, it looks like the percentage is around 0.25%. Maybe go off that. So yeah, so that's how you find your fees. Go into the accounts and then choose USD account and you'll find your fees for trading. It's not free, but it's very low. It just seems really cheap and it's fast. And it's integrated with Coinbase, so it's really easy to use if you have a Coinbase account. All these transactions on the right-hand side that are moving really fast, the green are buys and the red are sells. So every time it's red, people are selling, and when it's green, people are buying. Up here next to the logo is the price that it's currently selling at, which is the same as this middle mark here. This is like a tug of war between people trying to sell and people trying to buy. And it's just whoever has more power. If more people want to buy it and people are willing to sell at the price, then it's going to move that way. And you can kind of tell which way it's going to be moving based on the buy and sell trade history over here on the right. Right now it's kind of balanced, so it's going to float around 16,000 here. So now it's turning mostly green, so the price will start going up. If that mostly goes to red, that means people are sell, the price is going to go down. So that's how you want to work this. Just watch what it's doing and try to, watch the news, of course, and you kind of have an idea of what's happening. But I don't pay attention to the candlesticks and all that of those most day traders do. I don't think cryptocurrency works like traditional trading does. It's too volatile, too erratic. But if you want to do that route, go ahead. But I just look at the price and who's buying, who's selling. So if there's a lot of people buying, then the price is going to go up. Then you want to wait until a bunch of sells come in. Then you want to sell because it's probably going to drop back down. And just kind of do that back and forth and try to sell when it's low. I mean, buy when it's low and sell when it's high. It's back and forth. The more money you put in there, the more you're going to make, but also the more you would lose. So only play with what you're willing to lose, of course. And this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I do, and you can do it if you would like to. But definitely not telling you what to do with your money. Over here on the left, it's got your balance. And so right now I have 0.02 Bitcoin in here. I bought it when it went down to like 14, but $300 worth. It crashed, and you've seen it. I had the screen recording going. So now everything's back and going. And if it goes, I'm just going to hold this into BTC until the price goes up, probably to, 19. I'm going to wait till tonight and see where it goes. I'm thinking it's going to go back to 19. Hopefully it'd be nice to get to 20. So when it gets to that point, then probably cash that out to USD and then wait for it to come back down. And then I'll buy some more and then, just do that over and over. But say it is at a price you want to buy. You click the amount you have. If you have US dollars, just click the amount. It'll automatically fill in down here. If you have BTC, it'll automatically fill it in down here on the amount you want. And if you want to sell, make sure it's on sell. And the market is the market price. And then just click buy, sell, order. And then that would sell my BTC and it'll give me USD based on the price it is right now. If you want to buy BTC, you're going to need USD in here. And you select the amount, and then same deal. There's a limit and stop which you can select. Say if you're going to go to sleep and you want it to sell automatically, if it gets too low, you can set that price in here. Say sell at 16,000, and then you place the sell order. Make sure it's on sell, and then if it gets to that price, it'll sell. Otherwise, it won't sell. And there's limits too, where you can have it buy or sell a certain price limit. So that's kind of nice. If you're not going to be at the terminal or at the computer, you can have it do some safety checks in case it gets too low, you could sell, or vice versa. And that's really all you do in here. Just watch the prices, come in here, put your currency, you can buy and sell and watch the price. This also gives you a good idea of what the market's doing and if people are buying and selling it, and then maybe you'll see some patterns. But I don't know, I'm just trying this out. I'm new to this. If you have any advice or suggestions, post them in the comments and let's see what we come up with. I think that's it for this one. Any questions, post in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bitcoin price went down to 13.8. GDAX crashed. Coinbase crashed. I tried to buy it and everything crashed. Now it's back up to 16.4. But maybe it's a good time if you were going to do... It's going back up now. Okay, I was just looking at GDAX and I went over to the new Bitcoin Cash page on GDAX, and the price, it says the last trade price was $9,500. Everything's frozen. It's not loading. It's like it's frozen up right now, but it looks like GDAX, the price of Bitcoin Cash was trading at $9,500. So I don't know. It looks like they ceased selling. I'm just waiting for it to come back up. I don't know what's going to happen, but that's crazy. $9,500 for Bitcoin Cash on GDAX.